Hello, we know. So we are here for learning purpose for about English. English is a necessary language. We know each and everything about ourselves, about all over, inside it, our home and outside also. We know at anywhere. So and then we need to think only. We know each and every sentence about it, about cooking. Just like I'm a homemaker, so I will have to make some sentence related of today whatever I had cooked. So just like I had cooked today kidney beans. So kidney beans, I need to make some sentences based on kidney beans. Kidney beans, it is a capacity of protein, and then I would like to eat today kidney beans with rice with chapati. So in this way we can make any some sentences, few sentences based on it. This is the good method we apply in our daily routine anywhere. If we are interested, any we have some ideas, we know each and everything. We do some work in the evening time as well as since morning time. So in the since morning time we will have to apply what is meaning, what is importance of work. If we are overweight, just like if we anyone, those don't want to do describe, those one don't want to do decrease their weight, those are overweight person, they would like to just fat loss, overweight, and then they will have to apply or daily work is necessary role play. There is a important role play for our daily routine, because it's depend our capacity, our our mental health as well as our physical health. We know each and everything about our health. So we will have to understand, we will have to realize all these things. This is the most part for our body. We know each and everything about our life, about our weight and overweight. We can recognize and we can understand with easy way and with proper method. So this is the way of learning here and there, and this is the strategy of our body part. So if we will have to some apply according to our calorie, we can make food. This is the main part of, this is the main part of overthinker, overeating. We eat without unnecessary time. There is a not most important part, but we can realize, and then we can recognize our strength, our power. And then so if we take some food part time to time, and without unnecessary time, without time we eat proper time and with proper method, so it happens of everyone and everywhere. We know each and everything about ourselves. So in this way we can enhance this skill, and it climb our mother tongue. Our tongue will be trained, but uh, it can't do instantly and immediately. And it would be better we know each and every moment what we are doing. Just like I'm sitting on the chair, I'm making videos. Just like I wanted to describe my at all, I watched there, I saw anywhere in outside, those were people, those were just like overweight. So in this way we can speak anything. What is importance of uh, TV, phone, and media. So in this way we can say, we can see anywhere multimedia people, they would like to describe in front of the people, in front of the universe people. At all they don't have any, and there is no need, there is no fear. So we can recognize all these things around ourselves, not only ourselves but also here and there. We know about our inside home atmosphere, and then it would be better, because we are here for learning purpose. Learning is the necessary part for everywhere. There is an essential part of our life. we know each and everything, whatever we want, and until unless we can describe here and there. So all people, there are so many people, they have any just like their tongue has been trained by you. We can give our some effort, just like sort effort, and then it would be better because we can recognize, we identify our craze as well as our mindset. It's depend our mindset, how can we handle it. We have intelligence, we have wisdom. So according to wisdom, we know each and everything, each and everything whatever we want. So this is the method we apply in our daily routine. We used to learn some vocab, we used to go outside, we used to talk with my friends. So in this way we can apply, we can take only some basic grammar, and then according to basic grammar we can speak here and there in front of camera, in front of people, in front of our family members. So this is the method. If we apply our daily routine, all moment, our upcoming day or future, so at that time ultimately and immediately we can't do any work instantly. And so until unless deliberately and undeliberately, those people, they can recognize, they can identify at all. We know each and every time what should we do and what must be necessary, what must be following. It's individual role play in our daily routine. So this is the method we apply here and there, in front of the people, in front of the camera. And so this is the method I had applied, I am discussing along with you. So if you don't like, follow, follow, like and subscribe it.